Now let's test the put method. So put method will be the exact same thing. So I'm going to create a new request. This will be put, and then this will be localhost 8080. And I've just sent the request by mistake. So you can see that could not send request. And the body will be raw text, and we want to change that to JSON, and then paste that. And if I make this bigger, just like that, you can see that we have the exact same payload, and you can change this to whatever, but let's just send to see if it works. There we go, status code 200, which means okay. And here, have a look, we have an update request. And basically from this point, you can see that we can perform, so inside of our controller, we can send the request to our service layer, and the service layer can then perform all of that business logic, right? So the service is responsible for the business, and the rest is responsible for exposing HTTP methods to our clients. So in here, we saw that put is working, and let's try delete. So delete is localhost 8080, and then we have to pass the ID. So let's say ID of 1, and this will be delete, send 200. And right here, if I open up the console, you can see delete request for customer with ID of 1. So this is working beautifully. And basically inside of the delete mapping here, remember, we have the path. So the path is this one right here. And basically you can have multiple paths if you want. So here we only have one, but for example, if you had a URL, like for example, customer ID, and then foo, let's say foo, and you could have / and then you could have another path variable, right? But in our case, we only have one. And to be honest, this is it. As I said, I usually don't test my APIs like this. I always test them by writing integration tests, and this is what I teach you in this course. So definitely enroll to this course to further increase your knowledge, and testing, it's something that we professional software engineers have to do. Like there's no way out. We have to test our code, and it's not that difficult, to be honest. This all for now. Catch me on the next one.